Introducing the next generation PBA company planar air bearing XYZ Theta Gantry. Engineered for applications that demand ultra-smooth motion and exceptional high-precision performance. It delivers outstanding accuracy and repeatability under dynamic load conditions, offers low thermal expansion, and is designed for seamless integration into advanced systems. It also features exceptional mechanical stability in fluctuating conditions, high-precision pneumatic control, and ultra-low velocity ripple, all tailored to meet the most demanding industrial standards. At its core is PBA's DXF ironless direct drive linear motor, engineered to eliminate backlash with proprietary zero-cogging technology. A specialized ceramic structure is integrated into the frame, specifically engineered to reduce thermal expansion and ensure long-term dimensional stability. This advanced gantry is engineered for ultra-precise motion control via advanced motion control systems, combining low-velocity ripple with thermal stability, achieving sub-micron positioning accuracy under the most demanding conditions. Its frictionless air-bearing design enables near-zero mechanical wear, which means lower maintenance costs over time. With a maximum velocity of 1.3 meters per second, the gantry delivers fast and consistent throughput in performance-critical environments. It supports accelerations up to 1.8 G, allowing for rapid and controlled motion transitions. Featuring an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 micrometers and repeatability of plus or minus 0.1 micrometers, the system ensures precise alignment and repeatable results over extended operation. Motion quality remains exceptional, with velocity ripple limited to plus or minus 0.05% at 1.3 meters per second and plus 0.3% at 0.1 meters per second, enabling smooth, jitter-free movement across a wide speed range. Pitch and yaw stability within plus or minus 1.0 arcsec supports fine angular control, while flatness and straightness within 1.0 micrometers ensure uniform, high-fidelity motion across the travel path. Optimized for semiconductor and other precision manufacturing environments, the PBA XYZ Theta Gantry is ideal for wafer scribing, wafer inspection, laser cutting, and other high-accuracy applications. Discover the performance and precision of the PBA company planar air-bearing XYZ Theta Gantry at www.pbasystems.com.sg.
When motion makes the difference.